Hi, so I've chosen to describe various task and situation characteristics that influence action preparation. So there's going to be 5 of these characteristics. So first, starting off with 4-period length regularity. This characteristic means that the time length before reaction time and its stimulus in order to generate response is at a constant rate in time. In this case, it's easier to anticipate when a signal is going to happen, which results in the reaction time increasing. This is only possible if the time between the two is on a regular basis in timing. So the second characteristic is called a movement complexivity, and this means that the reaction time increases as the complexity of an action increases as well. And also as the complexity of an action influences the time a person is required to prepare the motor control system. Also, complex movements involve coordinating various muscles, which requires precise motor control, which can complicate preparation as well. So not only that, but complex movements take more time to master and may be messed up more frequently. Next is the movement accuracy. This is the ability to be accurate and almost perfect at whatever the sport or action is. It measures how often one may complete an action close to perfection or in a row. With these characteristics, you need to pay more attention to the plan of action in order for the reaction time to increase. This is important in relation to action preparation because it can plan the accurate movements for an action and enhance the ability to do better too. The last 2 characteristics that influence action preparation and repetition are repetition of a movement and time between different responses to different signals. The repetition of movement will cause the reaction time to be shorter because it reduces its response process because it's the same response. So this will always also influence the action preparation because with repetitive movement, that means there is practice, so the person has a chance to develop that skill and the action to perfection. Then the last characteristic is the time between different responses to different signals. This can influence action preparation by increasing the anticipation coming up to the next response. Also, since there are different responses, that means there are shorter intervals, meaning that the responses, because they are all over the place in short interval, which increases cognitive load, making it harder for individuals to process the signals and prepare appropriate responses. The short interval responses will also cause fatigue in the individuals. That's it.